Hello, this is Michael from compareforexbrokers.co.za. In today's video I will talk about Exness, a popular South African forex broker. I will cover the basic offer of the company. I will focus on trading platforms, fees, as well as regulation of the company. Everything that I will cover in today's video can be found in a review that I made about Exness, and I will link to this review down below this video. Now, if we head to exness.com, offer and how many assets the company features on their trading platforms. You have 107 currency pairs, 81 stocks and indices, cryptocurrencies, and metals and energies. You might be interested in the fact that Exness offers a couple of forex pairs with South African rand, and you can see them right here. So it offers trading South African rand versus Australian dollars, Swiss franc, Danish krona, euro, USD, and a couple of others currencies. So all of these pairs are available on their platforms. And now if we head to regulation of the company, we can see that Exness is regulated in South Africa by the Financial Conduct Authority, which is a financial body that monitors the financial market in South Africa. The company is also regulated in Cyprus by the SISAC and in the United Kingdom by the FCA, both very reputable regulatory bodies. Now, Exness offers two trading platforms, MT5 and MT4. MetaTrader 4 is the most popular forex trading platform out there, and you can download it to your computer or Mac or iOS, or you can access it via a web trader. So if you choose to not download MetaTrader 4 to your device, you can use it via web trader without any need of installations. And as mentioned, also a MetaTrader 5. And now if we head to let's head to standard accounts, and so you can trade nearly all forex pairs with up to 1 to 2,000 leverage, and the minimum deposit is set at $0 or $1 basically. And you can see that the spreads start from 0.3 pips on the standard account. That is for both MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4 users, so the spreads are here the same. Now if you would want to create professional account, this account starts from €500 and it differs in spreads, and it differs in spreads that start from as little as 0 pips, but there is a commission fee which is up to 3.5 USD for the raw spread account, and from 3.5 USD for the zero account. And the pro account has 0 commissions, but spreads are starting here from 0.1 pips, which is still very competitive. And so you can see the description of these accounts, and you can basically decide what you think is the best option for you here. And you can even head here to contract specifications, and you can type in here, for example, Euro USD, and you can see the average spread for different account types. Now we have standard account, and here is the average spread 1 pip, and it's the same for standard cent, I believe. Yeah, the same for the standard cent account, but for raw spread account the average spread is 0, but you have to pay a 3.5 USD commission fee. And then you can also check out Pro and Zero accounts, so here for the Pro account, that has, as mentioned before, 0 commission fee, and here the spread is from 0.6 pips, and this account starts from 500 USD. Now if we head back to let's head to deposit and withdrawals, and we will be able to see here the deposit and withdrawal methods that the company supports. You have here Bitcoin, internet banking or bank cards, and as well as some e-wallet payment methods. You can try to, if you want, you can try to create a new account, and either real account or demo account, it's up to you. Type in here just your country of residence, and we will make something up for the email. Demo trading gmail.com and password, and yeah, we have to use an uppercase letter. Alright, and let's hit continue. So now here you can see 2 tabs, demo and real account. Real account, you can see that I have 0 USD here now, and if you want you can deposit or trade, and here you have the tab for demo account, so we are going to check that out. Hit trade, and here you can install MT5 for Windows, or hit that button MT5 for other platforms, and you can choose from all of these. But for the purposes of this video I will use Exness terminal. That should work from our browser. And alright, it does work. So here you have 10,000 USD with which you can trade with. You can click the plus button and select an asset you would like to trade, your USD, or some currencies that are here's even Bitcoin versus South African Rand, so that's interesting. Again, GBP versus ZAR, and yeah, you can zoom out from the graph with your mouse, and if you want you can buy or sell depending on what you believe where the market is going to head. And yeah, that's basically it. I will close this now, and that's all for today's video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.